Let's take a look at what's included in this package deal for the Subaru STI. We start off with a lightweight performance flywheel, which is a direct bolt-on, no mods required. Next, we have the Exedy Clutch Kit, so let's open it up. Inside, you'll find an OEM pilot bearing, Japanese NTN release bearing, an alignment tool, and some installation guide paperwork. Next, we have the clutch disc, if we can get it open. And there we go. The clutch disc is a full-face organic manufactured in Japan by Exedy. Last but not least, we have the Exedy pressure plate, the pinnacle of performance. The pressure plate is manufactured by Exedy in Japan. Overall, this is a high-grade clutch set for your vehicle. This package deal is sold exclusively by our local shop, All Clutch Systems. Get your set today.